Hi, today we talk about repo rate or the Fed rate. We keep reading about this in the papers. However, do you know what it really means to the economy and why it affects you? Repo rate, that is repurchase rate, is the rate at which central banks, in India's case the RBI, lends money to commercial banks, maybe PSUs and private banks. When central banks reduce the repo rate, banks get funds at a cheaper rate. Typically, the central banks will reduce rates with the intention that the banks will pass on the cheaper rates to their customers, that is, borrowers. This will result in people borrowing to buy goods, build homes, finance businesses, which results in an increase in consumption and boosts the economy. However, the flip side also means that there is more money available in the market, which would mean businesses will increase prices and hence result in increase in inflation. Thus, one expects central banks to lower interest rates when there is a slump in the economy, typically due to a recession or an epidemic or a pandemic. Due to the recent slump in the economy, governments reduced the repo rates to encourage people to borrow more and increase consumption on an individual level in an attempt to kickstart the economy. What is reverse repo? Reverse repo is the rate at which RBI borrows from commercial banks. Is the exact opposite of repo. In case of reverse repo, central banks increase the rates as they want to reduce the excess liquidity in the markets. This leads to commercial banks parking more money with the central bank as they benefit from the increase in the rate. This also leads to commercial banks increasing their interest rates on all their financial products as the funds which they borrow from central banks become more expensive. This also leads to businesses, professions borrowing less money as the interest rates are now higher. Due to higher interest rates, people start depositing money in the banks to benefit from the higher rates. This will eventually lead to a snap up of excess liquidity from the markets. Hence, this is a measure used by central banks to reduce inflation or maintain inflation.